For this video demonstration, I'm going to be talking about the last bracelet that is part of our summative bracelet series. And we are going to be using polymer clay and make our own beads. And the beads are going to have a pattern. We're going to be creating a marble pattern. And you're going to be using polymer clay. Polymer clay already has a color to it, and it's very stiff. It doesn't need water. It is really fun to work with. The colors are bright, they are vibrant, and in order to make this clay, polymer clay, hard, we are going to need to put it into the oven. So we are going to first select the colors that we will be using to make the beads. So think about, before you select your polymer clay colors, do you want to have a white cord or do you want to have a black cord? We are also going to be implementing square knots in between our beads, and the type of closure that we're going to be using is called a sliding closure, okay? And you'll notice that the sliding closure, when you pull on the two ends of the cord, they decrease or they increase depending on what size you need that bracelet to be. So if you're going to be putting it on, you'll need to make the bracelet larger. When you need to tighten it, you pull on the two ends. So polymer clay, marble pattern. We're going to be using a waxed cord using square knots with a sliding closure. When you come up to make your selection for your polymer clay, I want you to bring along your packet that has your color scheme, your kumihimos, and your seed bead bracelet. That way you can use all of these as reference as you are choosing your colors of polymer clay. Now there's going to be a wide selection of colors for you to choose from. If by chance there is a particular color and you do not see it and you really want it, talk to your teacher, talk to me, and maybe we can come up with a way to create or to mix that color together. When it is your turn to come and make selection, you are going to be given a 2-ounce condiment container. And you're going to look through all of your color choices, and you are going to select, at this time, 7 chunks. Okay? You'll notice that when you look inside each of the containers, there are individual chunks, and you are going to select 7. And you want to think about some other varying factors. Let's say, for instance, if your findings were silver, you could also include silver when you are selecting colors. Or, let's say, for instance, if you are incorporating a white or a black cord, you could also incorporate white or black. So think about these, think about white or black, think about silver and gold, and then proceed to select your colors.
We sit around the table, lights so bright, bowls of beads, colors to ignite, polymer clay spinning in our hands, marble pattern shaping all our plans. Laughter echoes as we string the beads, tiny treasures fulfill our crafting needs, friendship blooms with every twist and tie, bracelet memories reaching for the sky. Hand in hand we craft away, dreams and colors here to stay with every...
Okay, so let's analyze what I have selected. I have 2 mint, 1, 2, a dark blue, 3, a medium blue, 4, and a chunk of white. And over here, I have a dark purple and another chunk of white. Now, I mentioned that you can mix colors. So I want to make a lighter version of this purple. So 1, 2 chunks, I can mix these together, okay? So I will teach you how to mix those. So that's 2 chunks. I want to have a lot of mint in my marble. So I got 2 chunks of mint. And then I got a medium blue, I got a dark blue, and I wanted those colors to pop, and I'm going to be using white cord. So I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I'm all set. So I'm going to put my chunks, place my lid on here, and I'm going to put everything inside my bag.